Infinite Campus Parent Portal video, we'll take a look at the schedule section. To get started, we go up to the menu for Infinite Campus, click on the 3 horizontal lines, and click on schedule. It will take you to the term semester 1 schedule for your child. It will have the hours on the left-hand side, the name of the course in the middle, and to the right it has the name of the teachers and their room numbers as well. If you scroll down, it will show the late start schedule, and you'll notice that the times are modified based on the late start. This is the high school schedule. I'll switch over to what an elementary schedule looks like. On the elementary schedule, you'll notice that it has an AM and PM attendance, and then its courses are just other classes that your son or daughter will be taking. You can see IMC, learner characteristics, art, math, music, PE, science. The late start schedule is below it, and it just marks when the school day gets started. As you can see, for elementary, then the late start would be 8:40 a.m.